like a fall Pinterest lookbook. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Let's go. So in today's video, as you can tell from the description, I'm going to be doing a recreating Pinterest outfits. I have all my outfits already picked out. I picked them out last night. I don't have no footage of that, unfortunately, but I will be showing you guys basically the Pinterest outfits. I'm going to be telling you where I got the clothing item, and I'm going to be rating how I did, like how I did compared to the picture. This is my first Pinterest outfit. I'm gonna be doing the accessories and stuff for it also. Let me go to here. I'm gonna be recreating 5 outfits and tell you guys that. So let's see what's different. First of all, first and foremost, I don't have any glasses that size. Second, my bag completely different, but I mean, she works. The jeans, of course, they're different. Mine are darker, hers are lighter. She's wearing a white shirt, I'm wearing a neon green shirt, and then my Air Force Ones have neon green in them while hers have black in them. Also, she was not wearing any jewelry as far as I could tell. I couldn't see her earrings. I can't really see her neck. I mean, it looks like she's wearing a ring. I mean, it's alright. I guess the fit is okay. I would probably rate this, compared to hers, honestly, I'd probably rate it a 7. Yeah, like a 7.5-ish. But yeah, that's just the fit. The next fit that I am recreating is going to be this one right here. This is the next fit. I don't like it. Let me tell you guys why I don't like this. First of all, I didn't have a gray and white. So I was like, if I put a white shirt on here, would it look right? And I didn't want to try that because I just didn't want to waste my time. I don't like these shoes with this outfit. No, the shoes are no. I mean, I got the backpack. I have no idea where I got this. This gold jewelry to go with this silver, I don't like that either. She did it, but her silver is going with her gray, which I totally get that. But like, I don't have any like light, you know, like it's just, this just isn't it. So I'm gonna have to give myself a 5 on this outfit. So yeah, this is the fit. So the next fit is this one. I'm moving on to this fit because this turtleneck is getting a bit hot. So this is the next fit. I just don't like the way that I look in this. Like, I don't know. I'm just not feeling this. I just don't know. Yeah, I'm not feeling this look. 1. Second, I found out that I'm wearing this turtleneck backwards, and maybe that's why I feel so tight. 2, I'm hot. 3, my hair. Like, okay, first of all, I can't get these braids like that. Second of all, I'm just not feeling it. But fit wise, like the way that it looks compared to hers, I would have to say like, I give this like an 8 out of 10. Yeah, definitely 8 out of 10. I literally have the exact same shoes as she does, you know? And I mean, like, red's in my shirt, she got some red in hers, we both got cars, so you know, vroom vroom vroom. But I'm just not feeling the fit. I just don't like how it looks on me. Maybe I need like jewelry and stuff. Maybe that's what it is. But I can't tell if she's wearing any jewelry or not. So that's why I just didn't put any on. But maybe like some jewelry would spice it up or something. It just looks dull to me. But yeah, that's this fit. On to the next fit. This is the next fit. Is this Kylie Jenner? What is this? Is this Kylie Jenner? I don't know who this person is, but this is the next fit. So let's get into that. Okay, y'all, so this is the next fit. It's pretty basic. I mean, it's pretty basic. It's pretty basic. It's pretty basic. It's pretty basic. I'm just kidding. But this is the next fit. I mean, I feel like I hit it pretty hard. I was gonna put on my my all-white Air Force Ones, but like I personally just don't like how that looks. Like I want a little black in there, so I left these shoes on. Also, I have this necklace on. I meant to tighten it, but I didn't feel like it, so it's kind of hanging loose. This is like a completely different shirt. This is like one of those shirts, but yeah, that's this fit right here. Bam, 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 bam. Also, they have their hair back in a ponytail, but I didn't feel like doing that because I wanted it down. So this is that. I think I did pretty good. So I'll probably give myself a 9, you know? Now we're moving on to the last and the final fit. And I decided to just go all basic on y'all for this one for real. We're talking basic. So let's get into this final fit. Told you guys this was basic. So this last fit, the only reason I picked this one, okay, I probably could have picked a better pair of pants to go with this because these pants are super loose on me and hers are like tight. But honestly, I'm gonna give myself a 9 out of 10 for this fit. Because, you know, I have the same exact shirt except for hers is a hoodie, mine's like a zip up thingy. This is the last fit, guys. I got my docs on. I probably could have picked a tighter pair of pants, but besides that, I mean, everything kind of smacks. I showed you guys this one was going to be basic. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you would like, hit that bell notification so that you know when I post, because I just post randomly, to be honest. Check out my social media accounts. They'll be linked down below. And also my 2 main social media accounts, TikTok and Instagram, are linked right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this, recreating my fall Pinterest looks. That is it for today's video. Bye.